Good morning, children. I welcome you all once again in English video, and this video is for worksheet number 17. You already know that we are doing the literature part in English in class 6th, right? So we will take the chapter which we were doing earlier. Today we will do another exercise of that chapter. In the previous worksheet you have done hard words and word meanings of the chapter Who Did Patrick's Homework, and this chapter is taken from the book Honeysuckle, right? This is the first chapter of book Honeysuckle. So let's start with the instructions. This worksheet is an activity worksheet and need not to submit it, right? So you will not submit this worksheet, though you will note down this all work in neat and clean handwriting with blue ink gel pen in your notebooks. Second is do your work in neat and clean handwriting in English literature notebook. Third is watch video on tutorial portal for the explanation. I have explained this exercise also. In worksheet you will get the question answers which you will copy down, and those question answers I am going to explain you in this worksheet. Now fourth is start this work from new page with blue gel pen. In the previous page you would have done your hard words, your word meanings. Now you will start this worksheet from the new page like I have written here. You will write worksheet number on the top of the page, new page, then you will put the date, day, and then lesson name, and then you will start the question answers. Answer these questions, right? The first question I'm going to take is, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? Now the answer is Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll. It was in fact a very small sized man, an elf. Now what do we mean by the question and the answer? I will explain you that the question is asking that what did Patrick think that his cat was playing with. Now in the chapter you already know that Patrick had a cat and he was playing with something, right? So he didn't know that what was that thing that his cat was playing. So the question is asking that what was that thing the cat was playing with, and also what it think. Was it correct? Was it as a toy or was it some other thing, right? So the answer is that Patrick thought that cat was playing with a little doll. What he thought in the first sight, in the first view, he thought that the Patrick was playing with a doll, but in fact it was a small sized man, an elf. Now elf are very small, very tiny people who are known as elf, right? So his cat was playing with that small elf, which in the first sight looked as a doll. Now next question is, what was Patrick's wish? Now Patrick की wish क्या थी? What did he wanted from the elf? Patrick hated doing homework. His greatest wish was that the little man should do all his homework till the end of the session. Now as you all know that Patrick was very lazy towards his homework. He didn't do his homework on time. Teachers were always after him. So his wish was that elf should do all his homework till the end of the session, so that there would be no complaint about his homework from his teachers. Next, the fourth question is, in what subjects did the little man need help to do homework? किन subjects में उसको help की need थी elf को, Patrick की? So the subjects are the little man needed Patrick's help in maths, English and literature. Fifth is, how did Patrick help him? Patrick ने उसकी help कैसे की? Patrick sat beside the little man and guided him. He brought books from the library and read out to him. So Patrick ने कैसे किया उसको help? वो library से he went to the library, searched the books, searched the answers in the book, he read the books, and also he find out meaning of certain words also. In this way he helped the elf. Next and last question is, who do you think the Patrick's homework did the Patrick's homework, the little man or Patrick himself? Give reasons for your answer. Now this question is asking कि आप क्या समझते हो कि Patrick का homework actual में किसने किया, Patrick or the elf? So you have to give the reason also why you think so. So it was Patrick himself who actually did all the homework. वो पैट्रिक ही था जिसने अपना homework किया actually. Because कैसे किया? Because he went to the library, he searched the books, he searched the answers, he read them, he find out the meanings of the words, right, which he hated before. जो पहले वो hate करता था, नहीं करता था. And this was the reason, because he hated all these things, this was the reason his homework was always incomplete. So when he helped the elf like doing this, it was he that indirectly he was doing his homework, right? So I hope you all have understood the question and answers, and do your work in very neat and clean handwriting, children, because you will not repeat this work again, and it will be easy for you to learn the answers properly. So I hope you will cooperate with us. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.